Welcome back to Insight. Well, I promise it really is spring and almost summer, even though Mother Nature's just messing with us. Gary Will is here from Home Comfort Experts to answer the most common questions that you get about HVAC in the spring and summer. Yep. I swear, it really is going to get warm, right?
That's what they're saying. I'm not sure yet. I don't know how much rain we've got, but it's a lot.
I feel like Noah, like I need to build an ark or something.
Right.
So here's question one. Should I open or close my basement registers?
Well, you got to realize that your air conditioner and your furnace, as that goes, has a certain amount of air that it has to move. Okay, your basement, if it's finished or unfinished, finished basement, you're going to want to leave those open. If you're going to try and close off registers, it's probably best to have a professional there, because if you close them down too far, there's so many, it's called CFM, cubic feet per minute of air. For each size air conditioner, you have to move so much. And if you choke that down too much, there's a chance that you could cause damage to your air conditioner. The coils could freeze. A lot of people, when they do that, their goal is to try and push cold air up. As you know, cold usually is heavier, cold air is heavier than hot air and will sink. Well, in the summertime, one of the biggest challenges we have is to get that cold air to a second story.
Yes.
That is probably one of our major or biggest questions in the summertime. How can I cool off my upstairs? People try to close the registers in the basement to
thinking that will get the air.
Think that will help, and to be honest with you, you got to be really careful doing that.
Well, here's a question that I've actually had. My couch is blocking one of my registers. Is that really a problem? How bad is that?
Depending on the size of the room, kind of along the same lines of what we just talked about, when they design a HVAC system, it's designed to move so much air. You block one off, it's still going to push the air to other registers. Will it kill your furnace or air conditioner? No, if you're just blocking one.
Right.
But it is definitely something you should be careful with.
Well, it messes up the design in my living room, so.
You're going to have to live with that.
What's the optimal thermostat setting for my air conditioner this spring?
Well, I tell you what, they design systems to hold 70 or 72 degrees on a 90-degree day. Okay.
I don't remember what a 90-degree day is like.
Well,
but
we'll get there, and then we'll be complaining about the 90-degree days.
Yeah.
But you got to be careful not to turn it down too far. It's not going to make it cool down faster.
Okay.
Your air conditioner is running. It's trying to cool down the air. It's going to pull out the humidity first, and then it is going to start dropping that temperature. So 70, 72 degrees, and once it starts getting over the 90-degree mark to the 100-degree, you're going to notice that air conditioner probably won't shut off, and your temperature may creep up a little bit.
So here, as we're outside getting everything ready this spring and pruning, doing all this stuff outside, is it a good idea, is it safe to hose off my own condenser coil on the air conditioner?
Yeah, as long as you have the unit off, you're not trying to take it apart or anything. When you start to dig into it, you should have a professional there. You should have one of the techs come out and do a complete maintenance on it. But we have a lot of cottonwood around this area. Once it does get to warm up, you'll notice around Fort Wayne, around the rivers, it almost looks like it's snowing sometimes, and that's from the cottonwood trees. Yes, you can hose that off as long as you're careful. Yeah.
Now here's a question: ceiling fans, clockwise or counterclockwise?
Summertime, counterclockwise. It should be blowing down in the middle of the room. Yes, that helps pull the air down from the ceiling and blow it down and distribute it through the room. I've
never had that thought. I've never even considered that.
Never thought about switching it around?
I haven't. Last question, can I sleep with my windows open?
You can. What your air conditioner is going to try to do the next day, if it's hot outside, you're letting humidity in along with that fresh air. Humidity is what makes you feel a little more uncomfortable in the summertime, so it's going to have to remove that from the air in the house.
Well, remove. Remove. If you're ready to stay cool this summer, because it will get warm, now's the time to do it with Home Comfort Experts. There's a great preseason sale going on now through June the 7th. 0% financing for up to 60 months.
60 months,
That's a great deal. $500 off of an air conditioner. All they have to do is give you a call.
That's right, 490-5100.
Then make it easy. Give them a call today. We'll be right back.